Well, this is part two of the grand unboxing of the Kelly Creates a Mega Brush Lettering Kit. Once again, I urge you to get this kit. It has everything that you need. I bought it because I really wanted this tote bag, which is only available in the kit, and the kit is only available at Joann's, at least at the moment. One really neat thing about this tote bag, which is great for your on-the-go projects or if you're sitting and waiting, you can actually put the brush pins inside. There's some pockets that accommodate them. In fact, everything that I'm going to show you will fit inside the tote bag, including this practice pad, which has the grid design. She also has one that is blank and blank pages. I think I mentioned before that there was a tracing pad, a travel tracing pad, but that's not included in the kit. However, she does offer a tracing pad that you can buy from her website. And then there are these cardstock pages that have quotes on them. So that's a whole project that you can work on. And then there is cardstock in black, white or cream color, and a craft, which is really good for creating your own projects. She also includes these workbooks, Learn Brush Lettering for large brush tip pens and for small brush tip pens. Now, I got to tell you, I already have these workbooks, but I actually wanted another one because I actually wrote on one of the pages, and I want my books to be pristine. Last but not least are these stamps. She has the alphabet stamps, and she also has, I love these that have different words on them, such as live a simple life, hope, calm, curate, believe. Just awesome. She even includes an ink pad, so you don't have to worry how you're going to do your stamp. So again, you're going to love this kit. Have fun. Let me know if you already have it, if you plan to buy it. And Kelly always says, happy lettering. I'm going to say, have fun.